The fate of all living creatures rests on the shoulders of the children. You pass on what you know, so they will also know.
There's one. May we borrow your leaf? Oh, thank you. Great. Wow. Yeah. Remember what you look for? What do you see on the spider's back when you see him? A happy face. What color is his mouth?
Black. I mean red.
Red.
With a black outline.
Right.
I don't see.
And he doesn't even have all his knees red yet.
How many knees does he have?
He has a lot of knees. He has 2 knees on every leg, and he's got 8 legs. So that's how many knees?
16.
16 knees. Oh, I never thought of that before.
Sheesh, that's a lot.
That's a lot of knees.
It'll be a lot of scrubbing.
Yeah, he could do a lot of crawling around. He could do a lot of scrubbing, huh?